If Pixlr is giving you a filter error, don't worry, in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is usually caused by the wrong layer being selected, browser graphics acceleration being turned off, corrupted site data, or even an extension blocking Pixlr from working properly. The good news is that most of these issues are easy to solve, and you can get your filters working again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the correct layer selected. On the right side of the Pixlr screen, open the Layers panel and look for the image layer you want to edit. Left-click that layer so it becomes highlighted in blue. This is really important, because if the layer is locked, hidden, or simply not selected, Pixlr may block filters from applying properly. A lot of filter errors happen because the software is trying to edit the wrong layer or no layer at all. So before anything else, always confirm your target layer is active. Next, let's check your browser settings. Because Pixlr depends on WebGL and hardware acceleration to run smoothly. If those features are disabled, filters may not load, may fail halfway through, or may show an error message. In Chrome or Edge, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then open Settings. From there, go to the System section. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it on. After that, restart your browser so the change can take effect. Once the browser reopens, go to get.webgl.org and confirm that WebGL is active. If it is not working there, Pixlr may struggle with filters too. Now let's clear Pixlr site data. Sometimes the issue is not the browser itself, but corrupted cached files or temporary website data stored from previous sessions. To fix that, click the menu icon near the left side of your browser's address bar, then go into Cookies and Site Settings. From there, clear the data related to Pixlr. This wipes broken temporary files that could be interfering with the editor. After clearing the data, reload the Pixlr website and try the filter again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If the error is still happening, the next thing to test is extension interference. Browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons can sometimes stop Pixlr from accessing the features it needs. To check this, open an Incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then load Pixlr again and try applying the filter. If the filter works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign an extension is causing the problem. At that point, go back to your browser and turn off your ad blockers or privacy extensions one by one until Pixlr works normally again. Another very common cause is the file itself. If you are working with a very complex SVG, a raw image, or a huge file, Pixlr may struggle to process the filter. Try converting your source image to a flat JPEG or a standard PNG instead. These formats are usually much easier for the editor to handle. Also, if your system is running low on memory, reduce the canvas size before applying the filter. Large images can put pressure on your browser and cause filters to fail, especially on older devices or systems with limited RAM. So if you want the quickest troubleshooting order, start with the layer selection, then check hardware acceleration, then clear site data, then test for extension conflicts, and finally simplify the file format and image size. Going through these steps in order will solve most Pixlr filter errors without wasting time. And that's it, you now know how to fix the Pixlr filter error and get back to editing smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.